How to chat with a supplier on Alibaba app. Found a product that you like and want to talk to the supplier? This guide shows you how to chat with a supplier on Alibaba app to ask questions, negotiate prices, and get more information. On any product page, you'll see a button that says Chat Now or Contact Supplier. Tapping on this button will open a chat window where you can send a message directly to the supplier. You can also tap on the supplier's name to see their profile and contact info. When you send a message, please be clear and professional. You should include the product name or link, the quantity that you want to order, any questions that you have about the product. This makes it easier for the supplier to respond with information that you need. To fix your chat history, go to My Alibaba section of the app and tap on the chat icon. Here you'll see your past conversations with suppliers. You can go back to any conversation to continue chatting or to review old messages. You now know how to chat with suppliers on Alibaba. Happy sourcing! Like and subscribe for more business tutorials.